Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Dolphin and confirming you have a compatible build. This ensures motion code is present. Next, power on your Wiimote and put it in discoverable mode, or plug a Bluetooth dongle if you need one. Once done, pair the controller in your OS so Dolphin can see it. Make sure drivers like the Microsoft Bluetooth stack or Toshiba stack are installed. This immediate setup step removes common connection blockers and gets you ready for controller configuration in Dolphin. You now configure the Wii Remote in Dolphin. Open controllers and pick a slot, then select Real Wiimote to connect a paired remote or emulated Wiimote to map keyboard/gamepad inputs. Once chosen, set extensions like Nunchuck or Motion Plus so the game recognizes them. If you use emulation, map gyro and accelerometer axes explicitly and adjust sensitivity and dead zones. This reduces drift and false shakes. Finally, save profiles so you can switch games quickly and maintain consistent motion behavior across titles. You finish by testing motion in Dolphin's input tester and in a simple game scene. Observe pitch, yaw, and roll values as you move the controller. If motion feels wrong, calibrate sensitivity, dead zone, and smoothing to remove jitter, then save the profile. Once done, run a short session to confirm responsiveness. If things go wrong, repair the Wiimote, update Bluetooth drivers or firmware, toggle Motion Plus, or reset mappings. These actions usually cure drift, disconnections, and mismatched axes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.